It's a beautiful afternoon here in Trinidad and Tobago, and although the road is quite busy, of course we know why, I am here preparing a bit of roast fish. Now I have some cavali here, I have one red fish, alright, and what I've done is season it up with some fresh lime juice, scotch bonnet pepper, some chive, celery, carrots, sweet peppers, cilantro, mint leaves, right, pimentos and tomatoes. Alright, and I'm going to leave this here to marinate for a while, and then I'm going to wrap it in fig leaves. But before I wrap it in the fig leaves, I'm going to cube some little blocks of butter, put it inside, and then wrap it in the fig leaves, wrap it in foil, and this is going to be roasted over a coal pot. Alright, so stay tuned. This is going to be an awesome roast fish experience. Alright guys, so it's evening time and the fish is on the grill. This is actually the last two days we red fish and one of the cavali. The smell is to die for, and we tried up. This is the last two, so it's really tasty, and I encourage you to try it my way and tell me what you think. Over some coals, nice slow heat. Doesn't really take too long to cook, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Enjoy!
If you love family, show me your hand if it is one away. Come follow me, cause technically all the way as well. Well, let me tell you one time, family is family and that different from bloodline. Some say them is blood, but them no want to see the sunshine. Family don't ever afraid to have your back at all time. Tell them and the friend, we fretting with we family. With me family. When we come to
Right. So first time on the roast fish, right? The votes are in, everybody saying this thing that I want to try for myself now.
Yeah.
I must confess it is the best roast fish I've ever tasted. Quincy, try the roast fish, come on. Do we have a winner? Hey!